Nitric acid. It is also called as aqua fortis. Its molecular formula is HNO3. Molecular weight is 63. In 1658, Glauber prepared nitric acid from nitre with concentrated sulfuric acid. In 1784, Cavendish determined the composition of the nitric acid. Now, occurrence. It is available in free state. From atmosphere. We know air contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen. In lightning discharge time, these two gases react with each other to form nitric oxide. This nitric oxide again oxidized in the presence of oxygen in air, forming nitrogen dioxide. This nitrogen dioxide dissolved in rainwater in the presence of oxygen forms nitric acid. This nitric acid reacts with calcium carbonate in the soil, forms calcium nitrate. This we are called as fixation of nitrogen. So this is nitrogen plus oxygen it is lightning discharge. These two gases combine to give nitric oxide. This nitric oxide again reacts with atmospheric oxygen. 2NO plus O2 gives rise to 2NO2, nitrogen dioxide. This is dissolved in rainwater. NO2 plus H2O in the presence of oxygen gives nitric acid. This nitric acid reacts with calcium carbonate present in the soil, forms calcium nitrate. So, atmospheric nitrogen is fixed in the soil. 2HNO3 plus calcium carbonate CaCO3 gives rise to CaNO3 taken twice plus CO2 plus H2O. This we are called as fixation of nitrogen. In the form of nitrate. Second one is, it is available in the form of salts, that is chili saltpeter, sodium nitrate, Indian saltpeter or Bengal saltpeter. This is potassium nitrate, and also Norwegian saltpeter, calcium nitrate. In combined form, available as salts, that is chili saltpeter, formula is NaNO3, Indian saltpeter or Bengal saltpeter, this is potassium nitrate, and also Norwegian saltpeter, that is calcium nitrate, CaNO3 taken twice. This is about occurrence of nitric acid in free state from atmosphere and in the form of salts. Now, preparation of nitric acid. Preparation of nitric acid. First method is laboratory method of preparation. Sodium nitrate or potassium nitrate treated with concentrated sulfuric acid on heating in retort below 200 degrees Celsius, we get vapors of nitric acid, that is condensed by using water. We get nitric acid, which is about 68% pure. Laboratory method it is. Sodium nitrate plus concentrated sulfuric acid is heated less than 200 degrees Celsius. We get HNO3 plus sodium hydrogen sulfate, or we can use here potassium nitrate also. Potassium nitrate heated with concentrated sulfuric acid, temperature is about less than 200 degrees Celsius, we get nitric acid plus potassium hydrogen sulfate. The formed nitric acid is about 68% pure. To get 98%, it is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid. We get 98% nitric acid. This is laboratory method of preparation of nitric acid. Industrially, it is manufactured by Ostwald's process. Manufacture of nitric acid by Ostwald's process. In this, we are using starting material is ammonia. Step 1 is catalytic oxidation of ammonia forms nitric oxide. Step 2, oxidation of nitric oxide to nitrogen dioxide. Step 3, dissolution of or hydrolysis of nitrogen dioxide in the presence of oxygen. We get 68% nitric acid. Step 1 is catalytic oxidation of ammonia gives nitric oxide. Catalytic oxidation of ammonia gives nitric oxide. Equation is 4NH3 plus 5O2 in the presence of catalyst platinum. Temperature is about 700 to 800 degrees Celsius. We get nitric oxide and water with the liberation of 21.5 kilocalories of energy. That means the reaction is exothermic in nature. This takes place in catalytic chamber. Step 2. oxidation of nitric oxide to nitrogen dioxide. Oxidation of nitric oxide to nitrogen dioxide. In this, nitric oxide oxidized by oxygen, we get nitrogen dioxide. Step 3, the formed nitrogen dioxide dissolved in water in the presence of oxygen, that is hydrolysis. Step 3, hydrolysis or absorption of nitrogen dioxide in water, that is nitrogen dioxide 4 moles dissolved in water in the presence of oxygen gives nitric acid. This is 68% pure. To get 98%, it is passed through or heated with concentrated sulfuric acid. We get 98% nitric acid. Now, here temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. Ostwald's process containing 3 steps. Step 1 is catalytic oxidation of ammonia to give nitric oxide. Step 2 is oxidation of nitric oxide to nitrogen dioxide. And step 3, absorption of nitrogen dioxide in water in the presence of oxygen gives nitric acid. This is about manufacture of nitric acid by Ostwald's process. Catalyst is platinum we are using. Platinum gas we are using. Temperature is about 700 to 800 degree Celsius. Now, physical properties of nitric acid. When it is in pure form, that is 98% nitric acid, it is colorless liquid. But when it is 68%, that is we are called as commercial nitric acid, it is yellowish brown in color. So that means pure nitric acid, that is 98% nitric acid, is colorless, and commercial nitric acid, that is 68% nitric acid, it is yellowish red, yellowish brown color. Why? Because due to dissolved nitrogen dioxide in the 68% nitric acid, and it is sour in taste. It is highly soluble in water. It is having more density than, it is heavier than water. That is, pure nitric acid density is 1.54 grams per cc, and commercial nitric acid density is 1.42 grams per cc. It forms constant boiling mixture with water. In that composition, 68% nitric acid, 32% water. This mixture boils at 121 degree Celsius. Boiling point of nitric acid is, that is pure nitric acid is 86 degree Celsius, and its melting point is minus 42 degree Celsius. It is non-poisonous in nature and highly corrosive in nature. These are the physical properties of nitric acid. Physical properties. Nitric acid, it is pure, that is 98%. It is colorless liquid. And commercial nitric acid, that is 68% nitric acid, its color is yellowish brown. Here reason is dissolved nitrogen dioxide. Due to presence of nitrogen dioxide in that, it appears yellowish brown. It is highly soluble in water. Third point, it is heavier than water. Here nitric acid, it is in pure form, that is 98%, having density 1.54 grams per cc. Commercial nitric acid, that is 68%, its density 1.42 grams per cc. It is sour in taste. It has suffocating odor. It is non-poisonous in nature. It is highly corrosive in nature. Highly corrosive. Its boiling point is 86 degrees Celsius and its melting point is minus 42 degrees Celsius. This nitric acid forms constant boiling mixture with water. In that composition, 68% nitric acid, 32% water. This boiling mixture boils at 121 degree Celsius. That is 10th point. It forms constant boiling mixture. It boils at 121 degrees Celsius. Constant boiling mixture with water. In this composition is 68% nitric acid and 32% water. It is the binary mixture of two liquids which cannot be separated by simple distillation method. If we are heating at this 121 degrees Celsius, both nitric acid and water escapes in the form of vapor. We cannot separate water from the nitric acid. Such kind of mixtures we are called as azeotropic mixtures or constant boiling mixtures. At that temperature, we cannot separate the two liquids into water and nitric acid. So this is constant boiling mixture, or it is also called as azeotropic mixture.